Sarap yan. Sedap.
Sarap. Sarap. Ayan na.
Papanggila pa.
Jagoy.
Yeah, I know. Uy! Frog! Frog. Sedap ito ah. Sedap gak?
Sarap.
Sarap. Boss chef. Kamusta?
Ayos lang boss. Hiwa tayo ng mais ngayon.
Sarap yan ah.
Sarap niya.
Sarap yan ah. Boss, okay?
Okay boss.
Sarap ba yan?
Sarap. Ang
Saya pre.
what? Sa'yo tayo din.
Ang saya pre.
He's our friend from Indonesia. He can speak Tagalog.
Speak Filipino.
What word?
No.
What word?
No, ang saya pre. Good word.
Ano,
Masarap.
sarap ba yan?
Sarap boss.
Yee! Yummy!
Yucky.
Okay?
Right?
Camping part 3.